Bun Bun Cat is a very eating kitten, always full of curiosity and enthusiasm for food. It often looks around for delicious food and snacks, and can't resist anything it eats. And its friend, the tricolor cat, is an extremely playful kitten. It is always energetic and likes to explore and try new things. They often play together, chase each other, and share each other's adventures and fun things. Bun Bun Cat 是一只非常识吃的小猫，总是对美食充满好奇和热情。它经常四处寻找美味的食物和零食，对任何吃的东西都无法抗拒。而它的朋友三色猫则是一只极其贪玩的小猫，总是充满活力，喜欢探索和尝试新的事物。两只小猫经常一起玩耍，互相追逐，分享彼此的冒险和趣事。多谢大家支持和喜欢 Bun Bun Cat. Thank you for watching and love our Bun Bun Cat. See you next time. 下次见 Bye bye everyone. Love you guys.